Okay, so it is connected and we have a green light. Very good. A green box. That is most impressive. We are live. Nice. Okay. So, but this doesn't show me that. Oh, it took a few seconds. And but our connection is still wobbly, wibbly wobbly. This says excellent connection, but this keeps changing. I don't know when or how I'll go offline. So I'll have to open. Unfortunate. That is very unfortunate. This thing is, I think, yeah, I can't even use my computer. I can use the computer, but the speed, I have to find out ways to efficiently maneuver speed. Network dot app. Nope, this is not. Yeah, we'll do it. This should do it. Activity monitor. Network. Who is using what? Please tell me your secrets. OBS is using the most data. It has used 8791 MB. Oh, because we are uploading, we are going live. It stand to reason. And we are still live. It still has an excellent connection, but this is yeah, the connection speed is very buggy. It says 4 GB data has been sent so far, and I have not been live for more than a few hours, less than a few hours. Again, this thing keeps, yeah, exactly, not receiving enough data. So my 4G is, that is not fast enough, good enough, I should say. क्या करेंगे? And now there's no data. I'll have to wait for a few seconds. Yeah, why don't you enjoy the music in the meanwhile? Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to spokenessays. I'm Harshul, and in the previous live video, it was very short. It was 45 minutes long. It was a lights out situation, and my Wi-Fi wasn't, the hotspot wasn't strong enough. So I'm back. But yeah, now the hotspot is strong enough, so I can begin. I mean, I can continue. Yep. Yeah, I opened Google to find that out. Right. Now we are again disconnected. I think, yeah, we'll have to reconnect to this thing. Yay! If I press this, oh, right, CAMP, we are logged in, and if I write connect to universe, we are now connected to the universe. Very good. Now I'm supposed to alter the table. So first column, first is star ID. I'm going to change the type, change the data type. So I will look at the syntax again. We write alter table, alter column, and set data type. Okay, so alter table, alter column, and set data type semicolon. Now the rest of the commands will be in lowercase. So first let's target star. Oh yeah, no, star. Let's target galaxy, alter column galaxy ID, set data type as what do you call it, serial, uppercase SIRIAL, yes, data type serial. Serial, what does it look like? Is it uppercase completely? Please tell me. Hello. Integer, I mean serial but integer. So do I write serial and integer? Oh no, oh, it will tell me, won't it? Yeah, it will tell me if I only change it to serial and not integer serial. Should have read that. What data type is serial? Data type stores a sequential integer. Okay, good enough. Serial does not exist. Ouch. SERIAL then. Serial does not exist. So type serial does not exist. Alter table, alter column, new ID, type serial. Look into PostgreSQL documentation of data type serial. Serial is only shorthand. Okay. So create table, table name, colon name, serial is equivalent to specifying create sequence, a table, right, not null, default, next one. Okay. This happened because you may use the serial data type only when you're creating a new table or adding a new table, new column to a table. If you try to alter an existing table using this data type, you'll get error because serial is not a true data type, but merely an abbreviation or alias for a longer query. In case you would like to achieve the same effect as you are expecting from using serial data type when you are altering, you may do this. Create sequence my serial as integer, start one owned by address.newid. So I have to go into that SQL file basically. Sheesh. Or I could create a new yeah, should have mentioned serial in the beginning. Or what would it look like on in an SQL file? Maybe this table name underscore column name underscore sequence. So star underscore ID would be the name of the sequence then. Okay. Right. What do you expect to happen? Successfully sync alternate table. What is actually happening? Unable to sync tables. Okay, so have the same issue as my code bug. Yeah, this guy's code is different. Serial type columns in PostgreSQL, SQL, PostgreSQL. Create table, this is this. Acha, serial is lowercase, but again, I think I have to mention it when I am creating tables. Not before, not after. Ouch. Edit. Column data type to serial. Yep, it comes back to this 2013 question. Yeah, I read that. SQL alter column. Yeah, that's not Postgres. I should write PostgreSQL. Adding serial to existing column. I have a small table. Someone asked this 11 years ago. Yowza. Right. The primary key. Okay, look at the following command, especially the commented block. To turn foo into bar. Okay, alter table foo, column A, set default next while foo is sequence. What? My mind's not in this. I need to rid myself of distractions. I easily thought it would be done. It would be possible. Okay, so it says create table A serial B text. In that case, I need to look into this. You. By the way, yeah, just commit the changes, please. Not state changes to commit. Okay. Yeah, please commit them. Okay, it has been committed. Run the code. Yeah, that's the problem. I can't just do this. I mean, I can't use serial. Okay, but A integer and A serial for this table. Then insert into A B, select I foo. I text from generate. Yeah. Okay, create sequence foo A sequence. Okay, alter table foo alter column set default to next to value. ये उन्होंने सीक्वेंस डाला है. There was an attempt to add a new column that could serve as a primary key alternative. Oh yeah, I could do that. I could. That would be too long an effort. So what I was thinking is I could create a new table. Sorry, not a new table. Create a new column which would hold the corresponding IDs. I would drop each table called star underscore ID, moon underscore ID, planet underscore ID, and galaxy underscore ID. And then I would add new ones with the data type serial. I don't know how that would work out because we've already placed foreign keys for all the tables really. So I don't know. I could create a new table or create a new column making them serial. I don't know. Let's try this again. Connect to universe please, and then run this command. What says? Okay. If I turn this NUMERIC, would that handicap things? Maybe. Okay, it easily changed the data types to numeric integer but not serial. Oh, yep. This is the problem that I have to fix. Think. So we have foreign keys in place. Okay. Fine. So we write alter table, drop column. Then add column galaxy underscore ID. Its data type will be set to serial anyway. I don't know if I can achieve this. I don't know what errors this will cause because there already is data in it. You know what? I would like to look at my universe.sql file right now. Maybe we can do some things to this that can, Oh my god! Yes! I think so. If I'm not being foolish, if I change this integer changes from integer to not integer and not null to serial, it might work. How clever of me. That might work. I'm not going to attempt that. I'll exit. There will be I'll use pg dump to ensure that we have the latest of the latest values in our database, from our database. So where we go to pg dump, okay, pg underscore dump c, capital C, inserts and capital U, freeCodeCamp. Okay, I don't know if this idea is it's not, I don't know what will happen, and because I don't know what will happen, I should be cautious. So in that case, I will copy this and I'll paste it here. So whatever happens, we have a copy of our data. Okay, dump please. This will be edited, so yeah, cool, that's done. So this will change now. Yeah, there is one change, I know. What did I do? Yeah, okay, it opens that thing. Anyway, there are no changes really, we didn't do anything. Right, I will press exit. Oh sorry, EXI key. Cool, go away. Now the only test we have to pass is this, right? Cool. So we go back to this project and I open universe.sql. Now in here, let's look at the first table. This is the first table. I will change integer and not null to serial. Again here for moon, serial. I can copy this, but I can't paste it. I can paste it. Oh come on. So I cannot paste stuff to a terminal apparently. Can I? Let's see. Yep, I cannot paste stuff to a terminal. That's okay. But I can paste stuff. I do have the right. Public.star serial planet star moon, and then alter table probably star owner to freeCodeCamp. Go away. I don't know if that will work. It says close saved. If I command S, will it save itself, or does it save itself by itself? I don't know. I'm rambling at this point. Come on. Command S a few times. What does this say? Open changes, split editor right, more actions. Command K U. Okay, close saved is for that. Okay, it saved that. Oh, but we had code road with us. What happened to code road? No! Idiot me. Not looking for extensions. Ouch. Oh, it's autosave is on, right? And save works. Okay, autosave is on. That makes me happy. If I write command shift T. No. Control shift T maybe? Nope. Ouch. I'll have to use a soft refresh. This will turn project off and on. Your progress will remain untouched. If you have problems, it can fix them. Soft reset can take over 20 seconds. Cool. Yeah. Yep, let's run this thing again. Hello? Yeah. That is so funny. Right. I clicked on this. Okay. We've got to finish this today. Come on. You can do it. I'll close these, by the way. I'll keep them open just in case. I haven't read any of their code really, so I have to keep it open. Come on. I'll let you guys enjoy the music in the meanwhile. Are we? Yep, streaming on YouTube and Facebook, and we are live. Very good. Any messages? No messages in the live chat yet. That's okay. Analytics say only 1 views. Ouch. I'm sorry about that. Okay. What can we say? I did not mute myself. I'll mute myself. I'll be here looking at the screen, but it will be muted. Right, let's see. Go away. I'll have to build this, by the way. PSQL. No, not before that. I'll have to build this so it does that. It edits the SQL file, and not edits the SQL file, it writes data according to the SQL file. Does this have? No, there's no bash history. PSQL Postgres universe.sql. Good. Drop database, create table, alter table, insert, alter table, done. Okay. Somewhere in here I saw drop database, then create database, then alter database. Yes, set, create table, alter table, good enough. And then alter table a bunch of times. Okay. Let's see if that bears fruit. I'm going to run this. It still says should have at least 5 tables. Okay, so what happened? Let's try and understand what happened. I can do this, of course. If I look at the serial thing, now the ID is serial. Okay, right. But okay, so what tests have we not passed? Should I have at least 5 tables? So that did not create the fifth table. I missed a few steps certainly. Right, but let's log in. PSQL username freeCodeCamp DB name Postgres, connect to the universe, show me the databases. Right, now we have table and their sequences, and it says 8 rows, but this does not say 5 tables, so at least 5 tables. So this is not what we are what we should be doing apparently. It only means one thing, that this does not serve our results, but I like using this sequence. It will automatically give each number a value. So if I write /d, not /d, if I select LECT asterisk from galaxy, it will show me in sequence the Andromeda, Triangulum, Sombrero, Milky Way, and M87. Cool. But I have to look into my Mario database again. I missed something obviously. This session will suddenly stop working, and I have to wait for a few seconds before it starts working again. As soon as this will become white in a few seconds. Okay. So we have eliminated serial from our list of symptoms, problems, errors, requirements. The next requirement I try to fulfill is to see what I'm missing. Now that's loading, and this has reset itself, of course, because we're running 2 virtual machines. So I think 2 virtual machines can't be run in different tabs. The same virtual machine can't be run in 2 tabs. Okay, let's go back. Let's review. Serial worked, but we did not add that table. So favorite color, characters, Samus. Acha, insert into second table ID username. ऐसे लिखता है. अच्छा. Right. Anyway, looks good. Update table name set. Okay, update use करते हैं. Anyway, if I have to find out, wait, more info. Yeah. There's your 4 columns in primary key. You created alter table. More info, create a character ID column, make it an int and foreign key that references the character ID from the characters table. So to set a row in more info for Mario, you just need to set the character ID value to whatever is in the characters table. Take a look at the details of more info in your foreign key. There is a foreign key at the bottom. These tables have a 1-to-1. I'll be right back. Someone's at the door. So sorry about that. Let's continue. Yes, right. I was looking for something that would help me. Okay, so more to one, then there's one-to-one relationship. I think one-to-one relationship is what we need. This is your 4 columns in the primary key you created at the bottom. You know what I should do? Yeah, I should look into the history. PSQL. By history I meant look at the table for data. Username equals freeCodeCamp. DB name equals Postgres. Yeah, some typo. FREECODECAM. Typos. MARIO hyphen DATABASE. What? Oh, probably an underscore then. Oh, right. I should write connect. Yeah, sorry. Show me, please. You have more info. I think sounds is that table. Actions. No, wait a minute. Character actions does not have a sequence. Okay, that means character actions should be connected. Let's select asterisk from character underscore actions. Okay, I think I'm supposed to make a table like this. Right. That's the one-to-one relationship they are seeking, probably. Okay, set your new column as the primary key before this table. View the table. There should be a sequence for the automatically increments. More info. Where's more info here? More info must be a column, yeah. Wait, add another column to more info. Acha, that's that. Acha. तो more info को नहीं करना है हमें. I'm supposed to create this character actions. CHE, not there, here. A. Good. It looks good. Many-to-many relationship. Use a junction table to link 2 tables together, forming one-to-many relationships. Your characters and actions table will be linked using a junctions table. Create a new table called character underscore actions. It will describe what actions each other character can perform. Yeah, we'll use this for celestial bodies. Let's look into this. Your junction table. So that they're called junction tables. Okay. Junction table will use the primary keys from characters and actions. Use as foreign keys to create the relationship. Add a column named character ID to your junction table. Give it a type of integer and constraint of not null. Cool. The foreign keys you set before were added when you created the column. What? Acha, automatically. What? You can set an existing column as a foreign key like this. Alter table name, add foreign key, column name, references, reference table. So character ID will be referred to character ID from the characters. So the same way I can do this for galaxy and stars. Yeah, galaxy and stars it is. I'll add a galaxy and a star junction table. Cool. This will be a foreign key as well. Set the action ID. Okay, so we are adding 2 foreign keys. That should do it. I think If not, then I'll come back. But let's look at the foreign key syntax. How did they do it? Acha. Alter table, add foreign key references. And how did I do it? Foreign key in PostgreSQL. Allah, that's a journey. No. Not you. Let's look at the yeah. Show me the no. PostgreSQL PostgreSQL. Right. Foreign keys. Acha. Create table cities name varchar primary key location point. Create table weather varchar reference cities name. अच्छा ऐसे लिखते हैं बस references cities name हो गया. What? Yeah. In that case let's yeah. सही है इतना ही लिखना है ना तो काम खत्म. Yeah, it will take some time to load this environment, but we shall be able to do it. Of course, it should have at least 5 tables. That's okay. The rest of the requirements are taken care of. Let's open this. Let's connect PSQL username equals freeCodeCamp. Why do I guess? Why do I say freeCodeCamp? I know it's freeCodeCamp. Must be something within. Trying to get out. freeCodeCamp. DB name. Am I not muted by the way? Why is my face off? Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry. My face was off. Right. Anyway, DB name is Postgres. Let's go quickly. Connect to universe. Now here we'll create a table. So create table. What was the context? Okay. Create table called weather. What name shall I give this? Galaxy underscore star underscore rel, so relationship, and then that. In here we begin. Now do I need to mention anything? Nope. Okay, good. The first thing I add is name of the column number 1, so galaxy underscore id and star underscore id, galaxies and their stars. Cool. Right. Now this thing says each table should have at least 3 columns. I need to look into this again. I just bumped into it. Okay, each table. So should create a database, be sure to connect your database, then you should also add tables. Each table should have a primary key. Each primary key should automatically increment. That would be serial, but integer would also work. Then what other okay, so apparently each table should have a primary key. Yeah. So the moment I set a foreign key for both values, there will be a problem, but I can also take care of that. Table ID, not table ID. Fine. I can set your type as serial. Okay, so and I'll also make you primary key. Done. So each table should have a primary key. Each table should have a name column. Mine doesn't. I don't know. You know what? Let us only first add galaxy ID and star ID. I don't know if I can get away with it. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. Let's find out. Okay, so this says varchar references city's name. You will also be serial, or not serial, really integer. Your references will be references. For galaxy, it is galaxy, the name of the table, and inside this galaxy underscore id. For star id column, we write the type set as integer, and your references will be star parenthesis star underscore id. Okay, good, bad, I don't know. Will this be allowed? Table has been created. Good. Let's connect the data now. Before I connect the data, if I run this, there will be a bunch of errors. All tables should have a primary key. So yeah, first drop table. I'm going to write all of this again. What other problems occurred? Okay, so each table should have a primary key. Yes, each table should have a name. So maybe this is not what they meant, or maybe this is what they meant. Each table should have, yeah, this will be taken care of. This is the easiest of them all. 3 columns. I could create a table for moon lists, planets and their moons. That would make more sense. I mean, yeah, or moons and their host planets. Anyway, at least 2 columns per table. Exactly. I'm not trying to replicate this. So why do I not have 5 tables? Yeah. One should be unique. I would be doing that all over again. So drop table called what? Galaxy star relationship. Cool, table has been dropped. If I run this again, there will only be one problem. It says universe database should have at least 5 tables. So what do you mean by that? You know what, instead of googling, I'm going to read this again. For this project, you need to log into PostgreSQL with PSQL to create your database. Do that by entering PSQL in the terminal. Make all the tests below pass to complete the project. Do not forget to connect your database after creating nodes. Okay, right. Complete your tasks below. You should create a database named universe. Done. Be sure to connect to your database with C universe. Done. Then you should add tables named galaxy, star, planet, and moon. Done. Each table should have a primary key. Done. So why does this say your database should have at least 5 tables? If you only asked me or asked the test taker to only add 4 tables. I mean, this says you should, so they're not telling us to add the tables. We should, right? Plus there will also be another problem. Well, actually no. Yeah, exactly. It's at least 2 columns per table, so I have to also fulfill additional requirements for the junction table. Okay, build a celestial stuff on int requirement. Hello, I'm nearly finished with celestial body. I'm stuck on the task. You should use the int data type for at least 2 columns. वो तो हो गया. This was previously passing, and the only requirement I had left was each foreign key column should have the same name. Okay. Right. Your galaxy table has 3 ints, so that seems fine. Your planet table only has 1 int. Your moon table only has 1 int. Same for tarot. Yeah, let's look into theirs. So they did not have that 5 table problem. Galaxy, moon, planet, star, then tarot. Tarot is tarot ID, name, column 3 ID, column 4 ID, column 5 ID. I see, that's how they referred to it. Okay. Tarot, yeah. Okay, so apparently I'm supposed to do it. Ouch, my bad. What are the data types? Integer, text, boolean, boolean. Okay, numeric, not null. So tarot ID. Oh, then I don't need to create a junction table. I just need to create another table, which is very interesting. We have galaxies, stars. I can use constellations then. I can create a table called constellations. That would work. You used TAROT. What does tarot mean then? Playing cards. Exactly. Maybe a pack of 78 with 5 suits used for fortune telling, especially in Europe, in certain games. Europe. Tarot. Why is it called tarot? The word tarot in German tarot device from the Italian tarocchi. Right, it's a pack of playing cards. So apple, sand, water must be some values. Okay, so that's how you solved it. Basically, they created another table that fulfilled these values. Cool. I think they only added 3 rows. 6 rows. Right, okay. In that case, yeah, just have to create another table, that's it, with the specific requirements. In that case, I would like to write all the data inside it itself. Yeah, I can insert it. So first let's create a table then. Bye. The table has been dropped, the requirements have been fulfilled again. Let's create a new table. So create table constellations. Okay, first requirement is something. Okay, first I'll create that serial thing. Of course, first will be constellation ID, constellation underscore ID. I'll also write define constellation. Also pronounce constellation, please. Constellation. Right, British constellation. There is another way to yeah, that's good enough, and that loop was quite deafening. Anyway, constellation it is. Constellation. Next, okay, I'll also give this a type called serial. Another will create what is the requirement? I just want to finish that. Okay, you should create a database. Yeah. Each table should have a primary key. This will be the primary key. ARY, primary key. Next, each table should have a primary key. Each primary key should automatically increment. Serial will take care of that. Each table should have a name column. Name will be let's shoot 2 birds with 1 stone. Then each table should have a name column. Yeah, you should use the int data type for at least 2 columns. Will serial take care of that? I don't know. I could have found out. Anyway, you should use numeric data type at least once. Okay, constellation. Once. So numeric and text. Okay, I can use. Is there a requirement for text? Yeah, text, and no varchar is there. all columns named name should be of type varchar. अच्छा देखा varchar 20 will do. So the name of the constellation. Okay, वापस. So constellation ID serial primary key. Cool, that's taken care of. Again इसको बंद करो, इसको full screen करो. Yes, much better. Two columns have been taken care of. Again I will check this. Each table will have a primary key. Rest assured. Each primary key should automatically increment. Done. Each table should have a name column. Done. You should use the int data type for at least two columns that are not primary or foreign key. For that I need list of constellation. Cool, we have these. What are their most common characteristics? Let's look into Aries. This will say name Ram. Messier objects. Okay. Pisces. How many Messier objects does this thing have? None. Cetus or Cetus? None. Okay. Ursa Major. Can you tell us how many stars there are in it? Aries is one of the constellations of the zodiac. Achha. 88 officially recognized constellations. NASA. Thank you. Andromeda, Antlia, Apis, Aquarius. It is Aquarius. Okay, it's Aquarius. Aquila. Aries. English name is Ram. Latin name is Aries. Right. This doesn't tell me that. Am I supposed to click on one of them? Nope. No, it won't tell me. What are the 12 most common? The zodiac. Big size. Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, whatever. Zodiac constellation names. Cool. What characteristics does this thing have? I can use element. Element. Scorpius. Messier objects 4. Do all of them have Messier objects? You don't. Aries, do you? No. Gemini. Apparently, what? Zodiac quality. Do all of them have a element fire. Okay, element is there. Each of their element is. क्या हर एक में अलग अलग क्यों प्रॉपर्टीज दिखाई है क्या? आर यू किडिंग मी? What? Now suddenly I don't see Messier objects in you. For Cancer, do I see? Okay, this is also completely weird. Bro, show me please some consistent data. Bard. Messier objects list. Prepare a list of all the constellations from zodiac. I don't know if that is proper English, correct English. So let's see. Okay, here is a list of Messier objects in the zodiac constellation. Aries has M45, Pleiades, open cluster, Crab Nebula, globular cluster. Okay, so that's one. Then there's a few. Are there any that has none. Total 35 messier objects. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Cool. Okay, so we have a number, something called messier, which will take the number. Messier objects. I don't know what it is, but it is a column with a type integer. Int data type for at least 2 columns. What other? Yeah. I don't know what I can use for this then. Think. One is constellation, serial primary key. They will all be unique, so I can use unique for those. Is there a unique requirement? At least one column for each table should be required to be unique. So I can make them unique. Serial will take care of unique, right? Yeah. Unique. All values will be unique. Serial unique and a primary key. All at the same time. Let's see that work. At least 2 columns per table should not accept null values. Can be taken care of. Int not null. Let's also create another integer that's supposed to be not null. What are the common properties of a constellation? What are there? Will it understand that how would it understand what I'm asking? Unless without a reference point. I've got Nehru. Yeah, yay! They gave us some of these values. Brightness. I was... I'll edit my question. Of these constellations, not there. Okay, they're all located along the ecliptic. They're all visible from the northern hemisphere. They're all relatively large constellations, with most of them covering an area of at least 100,000. I should have looked into that tarot thing. That would have worked so much. What did she use? Basically, I need to understand how she finished that with so less columns. 1 2 3 4 5 6. If she finished that with that. Right. Numeric and not null. Right. You used integer only once, so I think numeric and integer takes care of that maybe. And text and boolean, right. And I will also look into these values to understand what she did. For tarot it says this is the ID, this is probably that. Boolean, for boolean they use that, and then black. So unique, okay. ऐसे लिखा है ना. I come back. She did not use the unique integer. I think unique was taken care with ID. But they didn't use serial. Wait, yeah, I wouldn't know. यहाँ पे नहीं होगा ना, end में होंगे constraints तो. Public dot tarot, constraint primary key for tarot ID, unique for tarot ID, yeah. And foreign key, there's no foreign key for tarot, I think. Oh, there is a foreign key. Tarot ID is connected to tarot ID. That is so interesting. But yeah, serial, unique and primary key, name, variable, character. Let's make you not null. Yeah, that's a good call actually. Messier objects will be integer. By. Yeah, you can go. You can also go. I'll keep this by. Right. So 2 integers. अच्छा यहाँ पे integer use किया है. अच्छा. Wait, that's public star. Sorry. 1 integer here No other integers, and maybe she passed the test. Interesting. Fine. Messier objects taken care of. We also need some text table, right? The text and the two booleans. Yeah. Column number 1, 2, 3, 4. Column number 5. Column number 6 taken care of. Yeah. Cool. You will be text. You will be what? Boolean. Done. Let's try to read this again. Okay, each table should have a primary key. Yep, primary key. Each primary key should automatically increment. Done. Each table should have a name column. Done. You should use the int data type for at least 2 columns that are not a primary or foreign key. I need 2 int. Okay, I need another int. In that case, I'll add one here. Call. COL. Just call. Data type integer. Cool. Data type for at least 2 columns. Done. Kar diya. That are not a primary or foreign key. Cool. Taken care of. We should use the numeric data type for at least once. Numeric. Where is that? Oh, I did not use that. Allah. Oh, you use tarot ID as numeric. Achha. Yeah, I mean that would also work really. Fine. Numeric unique primary key. So numeric data type at least once. Done. So ID will be numeric and unique and a primary key. सही है. So unique constraint is also added in the primary key constraint. Okay. So numeric taken care of. Text. Yes. Column number 4 is text. Boolean on at least 2 columns. 2 booleans. Done. This will also be taken care of. Each table should have at least 3 rows. Yeah, we'll work that out. Excuse me. Then each table should have at least 3 columns. Yeah, this will take care of that. Then at least 2 columns per table should not accept null values. 2 columns per table. So each table should have not null. Yeah, in 2 columns. So not null 1 here. And what other not null can I use? I created this weird column. Well, fine, I'll make you not null then. Wait, no, that is a meaningless column. Instead, I'll make you not null. Messier objects Messier objects also needs to be filled anyway. Okay. At least 1 column from each table should be required to be unique. Yeah, that's why I have the unique constraint. Done. All columns named name should be type of varchar. Done. Each primary key column should have the following naming convention: table underscore name.id, constellation underscore id. For example, moon table should have the primary key column named moon id. Each foreign key column should have the same name. So yeah, foreign key is not a constraint. I mean, we're not supposed to. We can get away without adding a foreign key. Okay. The table has been created. Let's run this. There will only be a few problems. Allah. Okay, each primary key column. इसको तकलीफ हुई यहाँ पे क्यों? At least 1 column from each table should be required to be unique. That also didn't work. The table was created and that didn't work. How? Maybe because we haven't added any data yet. I don't know. Okay. So now 5 tables requirement is fulfilled. Each table should have a primary key. Yes, they do. Oh, so these requirements were not disturbed. Numeric text boolean star planet. Each table should have a primary key. It does have a primary key. At least one column from each table should be required to be unique. So maybe I could have added unique to some other table. Right. Then each primary key. ये भी नहीं हुआ. क्यों बे? con_id. I did that on purpose. Why did this not work? Each primary key column should follow the naming convention table underscore name underscore id, as in whatever the name of the table is and then underscore id. I use exactly that. देखते हैं ना. I'll have to look, press /d constellations. I should have written constellations id then. Yeah, table id. Yeah. I'm going to drop that table and create it again. Yep. Done. Dropped. Now we create a table called constellation and constellation id. It will take some time to create the table, but now this will be passed. Very good. Okay, let's look at the requirements again. We pass. The first problem, the only problem I see right now in front of my eyes is each table should have at least 3 rows. Okay, and at least one column should be required to be unique. So that didn't happen yet. In that case, okay, are there any other problems? No. Okay. Can I do that for messier objects? 2, 4, 2, nope. Messier, yeah, okay. Where do we have text? Text can be unique then, fine. Constellations does not exist, of course. Dropped. Instead of unique being there, unique, text unique. Maybe this will work, might work, I don't know. Yep. Any other problems? Each table should have at least 3 rows. Any other problems whatsoever? Nope. Okay, so the only thing we have left to do is to add data. Alright, first I'll also ask it to return all the column names for me to fill data, and ask a bard to create a table for that. Constellation. I'll resize this thing now. No. Sorry about that. Yes, we have primary key and a unique constraint. Anyway, so insert into constellation. I think, yeah, I can get away with 3, right? So values 1, 2 and 3. Okay, constellation id will be a numeric 1 and 2 and a3. Number 1 has a name that has char, varchar, messier objects. Okay, then some weird column that has to be an integer. Name cannot be null. I used not null. क्यों? Primary key की वजह से probably. Oh, so I could have given not null to only one of them. My bad. Anyway, coming back, let's take one of them then. Bye. Right, let's take Aries first. ARIES, Aries. So that's the name. Carware, varying, because varying, not varying. Carware. Messier objects, you have 1. It's an integer, so we write 1. Column, some weird column, it is also supposed to be an integer, so I'll use 1 then. It's not supposed to be unique. What have we used for unique then? Column number 4, text. A star called, nope, Zodiac. Fine. Need to get away with minimum effort. Boolean, true. I can go crazy with this. False. Cool. Next, Taurus. Taurus. Messier objects are how many? 6. Right. 6 Messier objects. So 1, 2, 3 not fulfilled the ID of not null. Column, some weird column. 1, 2 will be 2. Column number 4 is text, which is supposed to be unique. Yeah. A member of the zodiac. Now we go to, oh wait, also I need to add boolean, false, false, done, and let's go to the next, Gemini. Gemini, you guys should check it out, this movie called Gemini Man by that's stars Will Smith. Gemini has 2 Messier objects. Another column called call. Column number 4 is text, has to be unique. Also one of the zodiac. Members. I'll make you true and true. Okay, let's check before I paste anything. Insert into constellation values 1 Aries, then 1, then 1, then zodiacs, then zodiac, and then true and false. Then number 2 Taurus, 6, 2, a member of the zodiac, and then false and false. Then 3 Gemini, 2, 3, also one of the zodiac members. Maybe I can put a full stop here. True and true. Done. Inserted. I think if I run this now, yep, tutorial is complete. Congratulations to me. Thank you. Right. Now I think I need to go back and look into my curriculum and understand how to pass this thing. Celestial bodies. This says when you have completed the project, save all the required files into a public repository and submit the URL to it below. Okay, so that means I need to look into that. Chill. No, I will not open a new workspace. Chill. यहाँ पे कुछ होगा जो मुझे बताएगा. Okay, so first I exit and I dump the data. pg dump. Is pg dump? Nope. pg underscore dump C, lowercase c, and capital C, inserts u freeCodeCamp, there's a space, universe not SQL, semicolon, there's no semicolon required. pg dump cc inserts u freeCodeCamp universe SQL. Okay, data has been dumped. If you leave your virtual machine now, make all the tests below. Fear, if you're saving your progress on freeCodeCamp after getting all the tests you pass, follow the instructions above to save a dump of your database, save the universe SQL in the public repository, and submit the URL on freeCodeCamp. What do they mean by that? Public repository. I can Google that, right? Yeah. Unclear how to push for repo relational database course. Sorry for the lack of explicit instructions here. That's deliberate. We are not supposed to encourage using GitHub as a file host. I would suggest to copy the files to your computer, then upload them somewhere. Then you can be anywhere that's publicly visible. In that case, I go to GitHub then, despite the fact that it's not encouraged. I use pgdump to create a SQL file, but I am unclear how to save it to my computer. I'm new to bash scripting and could use some guidance. I haven't encountered. You can select all the text in the file and copy and create a file and computer and post paste it there. Let me know if you need further clarification. Right. Okay. I can close this thing now. Public repository. I think by public repository, let's Google what is a public repository. Public repositories are accessible to everyone in the internet. Private repositories are accessible to you, only accessible to you. Yeah, so I think I should create a repository here. Your repositories, please. We have one called antecedent. Create a new repository. freeCodeCamp. So FCC projects. freeCodeCamp projects. This repo stores files and projects completed. Of challenges completed. This repo stores files and projects of challenges. Files of the challenges of the free code camp challenges solved by freeCodeCamp challenges solved by public repo. Add a readme file. No, not really. Git ignore. I don't know. We don't. Maybe a license. I don't have a license. I mean, yeah, I'm not creating software or working on a software. Let's see. Quick setup if you've done this kind of thing before. Get started by creating a new file or upload an existing file. Create a new file, please. Name your file universe.sql. Does this have my data now? Public planet, public star, ID sequence, galaxy, moon, planet, star. Yeah, constellation. Yes, column 4 key. Where is its data? Constellation. Yep, 3 data. Okay, 3 columns. 3 rows are there. Command A, Command C. We go here. We paste it. 476 lines of code. Commit changes. Yeah, I think so. We go back to code road. Save it in a public repository. Done. And this would authenticate my data. Yeah. Okay. Commit changes. FCC, what are they? Celestial Bodies DB project code. Okay, open link in new tab. Right, if I want to look at it raw, cool, that's the file I think, raw.github user content. अच्छा ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं ना, example. What link should I give? Of this or you? I think this. You must complete the. I have completed the project, idiot. Okay, in that case, I'm going to close this. Right. PG dump and exit. Wait. How do I ask it to run? I have finished the project, idiot. Okay. Close all. How do I exit this thing? Soft reset, no. Explorer, no. File, new. Close editor. I close the editor. Nope. I can do that. You, Pachu. I can't shut down, huh? Host is down. Acha. System has not been booted with systemd as init system. Acha, because it's a virtual. Right. So how do I exit this thing then? Discard changes, open file. What is this? Stage changes and you. What is this? Always. What do I do? Do I refresh the page? How do I exit this thing? Help. Welcome documentation. It's about blank. That is as useless as anything. About code server vs this whatever. I don't need that. What I need to do is exit this thing, man. Exactly, page not found, idiot. But I don't think, relational database. Yeah, I have finished the project, my friend. You must complete the project first, idiot. I have finished the project first. I ran the thing and I passed it. So, what are you on about? I'll also Google my symptoms then. You must complete. What was it? Finish the project first? Yes, please continue. To go down another path, relaunch the. To go down there, open a new VS Code workspace, relaunch the Code Road app, select a new tutorial. No, I don't want to do that. Refresh the page, please. I don't think it will still accept. You must complete the project first. I have, so what would you have me do? Hi guys, I fixed my problem. I went to the developer's tools and deleted the local storage. I reload again and now it's completed. Okay. How to clear local storage JavaScript. Okay. Right, where is that thing? Console. Oh, it's here. Paste. Done. Undefined. Haha. So I'm not supposed to do that really. Or session storage not clear. Nope. I'm not supposed to do it this way then, I think. How to clear local storage in Chrome. That's better. Open Google Chrome's console. Okay. Does Google not have an answer for that? Yes. Chrome.google.com clear local storage. It's an extension. Are you kidding me? By someone called... Who is this developer? Whatever. How to clear... bro. Chrome.local storage. What can I use? Chrome.lo. I can't do that. तो क्या मतलब है भाई? Local storage dot clear. It says undefined, but does it mean that I've finished the clear the local storage? Bro, come on. Okay, you can go. You can go. Okay, what is their problem? What is the problem they're facing? Okay, if I look here, it's an image that says continue relational by finishing Mario database. Acha. Running the relational database in your... Okay, where am I stuck? Issues with your progress getting saved. You finished the course but don't see check mark next to it when going back to your freeCodeCamp account. Refresh the page to see if that works. A page refresh is required before you see the check mark. Achha. I have finished the... Maybe this will work. Nope. Didn't work that way. The check mark still didn't show up. The check mark does show up. I mean, after the last step, of course, you'll see a continue button to finish it. Clicking continue is what triggers your progress to get saved. There's a chance you didn't click it or something went wrong. Open your finished course back up and it should take you to that screen. Okay, fine. I'll wait. Your username token is used to save your progress. As a security measure, we delete them when you sign out of freeCodeCamp as a new token is created. But existing VMs still have the old token until it shuts itself down. Open up a different project to shut down your running VM. Then go open the old project back up. The container should now have your token. Achha, let's find out. Let's first try this and then do that. I'll also open this in the background. Achha, slash. Was the slash missing? Nope. Okay. Okay. Yeah, go away. I've got new me. I've got no ooh, ooh, ooh. I've got no roots. I've got no roots in my. What does this mean? I think when I cleared local storage, yeah, this took longer, so I'm going to believe that. Yeah. ओके इसने ऐसे ओपन किया. हाँ, कोड रोड गायब था. Yep, congratulations, thank you. Saved. If I refresh this page now, this should say I finished the project. Paste. Remember to submit your own work. Oh, that's the solution link. Oh, sorry. Copy and paste. Sorry, that's my own work. Okay, yeah, now we've passed it. Cool. Yes, I'll submit and go to the next challenge, please. Yay, Celestial Bodies database is done. Now I'm going to finish this live video here and now, and when I come back I will continue with the rest of the projects. Thank you for watching and thank you for your support. Have a great rest of the day.